Vinson, yeswilliam.com. I was asked a question that probably should have been answered before he got to this point last night, and I want to answer it on a video today. It won't take long, but I want to share this with you so any of y'all that's starting a YouTube channel will know about this. Is your upload defaults. Now when you sit there and write out your description every time and then copy and paste it, I want to show you how to have to do it only once and leave it there, and actually a probably better way to set it up. At least there's a few marketers that at least implement parts of this. I don't know about all of them, if it'll ever get done doing what it's doing here. Let's see if I can refresh it, make that work faster. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm on my YouTube channel here, and you go up to your little icon there with your picture in it and you click on it. Now they changed the name, so you used to it was beta, but now it's called YouTube Studio. So you click on YouTube Studio. Now watch this. When it gets to the other side of the screen, Creator Studio Classic is on the bottom of the screen on the left side, completely opposite corners. Click on that, and I don't know, they don't seem to be changing nothing, and I told them a few times what the reason was for me doing this, and it may be somewhere else on here, but this is the way I know how to get to it. So I just click other, and I'm tired of explaining it. I probably got plenty of that in there. So I submit this, and it's going to take me to Creator Studio Classic. Now that you're here, you can look over here, the list of things in the Creator Studio. You go to here to Channel, hit the drop down box, and your Upload Defaults is the middle button on the bottom, Upload Defaults. Hit that. Your description is right here in the middle. Well, maybe in this is it anyway, regardless. So you can go in here and you can put all your links and your whatever you want your description to start or to say for, a generic version. It's still going to give you a place to put it when you get into uploading a video, but you got this already done, so you don't have to copy and paste and look for all your links and things like that. Your links will be here. Just tags. And your title, your license, your category, all this stuff is in here, so that when you get before you upload a video, everything here is set as default, so this way you don't have to do it every time you go to YouTube. Then you got to remember to come over here to save, click the save button, so all this is saved. Then see, it'll tell you your changes were saved. I didn't make any changes, but you're still saved. Then when you go back and upload a video, all this will already be in there, and you can add to it if you want to, but at least this is done. Or you can even take away, and this is only one video at a time anyway. You can put your links in as you go, like if you got a special link or special description. Especially each video should have a description of its own and keywords to fit that description, and title too. So you want to make sure that you put your description and your title in manually every time, but you can do that right on top of this in the uploader. So I hope this did you some good. If I run across something else like this that I know that needs attention, now this one was the thing that I ran across last night, so I know there are teachers out there not teaching about the upload defaults, and when I run across something else, I'll make a video about that too. But I hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe and ring the bell for upcoming videos. You just never know what you might can use or what I'm fixing to make a video about. So try it out and see what you think. Okay? Have a good night.